Hey guys, it's Kerry. Happy World Elephant Day. I'm celebrating this magnificent animal and spreading awareness about the critical threats elephants are facing. Issues are poaching for their meat, leather and body parts, habitat loss, conflict with humans, and mistreatment in captivity. We all need to support solutions for preservation and protection that will ensure their survival. These 14 Asian elephants have become famous, and here they are taking a nap. They have been on a 17-month journey and covered more than 500 kilometers and even giving birth to a calf on the way in November. Some damage has been caused, but they were monitored by drones and lots of food dropped off to stop them going into the villages or trampling crops. Asian elephants have a very large and highly developed neocortex, a trait also shared by humans, apes, and certain dolphin species. They have a greater volume of cerebral cortex available for cognitive processing than all other existing land animals. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Must there's a period when testosterone levels are 100 times greater than non-must periods and they become aggressive. Secretions containing pheromones occur during this period from the paired temporal glands located on the head between the lateral edge of the eye and the base of the ear. The female is required to cooperate for breeding, so they will only allow the strongest and most fit males to mate with them. In China, Asian elephants are under first level protection. Hunnan province has 11 national and regional nature reserves. Thailand and India also have protected areas for elephants. African elephant, they change habitat seasonally, inhabiting swampy areas during the dry season, then moving back to lowland rainforest areas in the wet season. They are the largest terrestrial organism, weighing up to 6,100 kilograms and standing 4 meters at the shoulder. Most elephants live in protected sanctuaries where they have sources of water and abundant vegetation for foraging. A bull knows when a cow is ready to mate by a scent in the female's urine and genital area. During courtship, the bull will try to stroke her with his trunk and will chase her if she retreats. Once she stops retreating, they will stroke each other with their trunks. Only then will the female let the male mount her, and copulation lasts about 2 minutes. Females may mate with several different bulls and are considered polygynandrous. Male elephants have a long prehensile penis about 1.8 meters in length on average. At birth, calves do not have tusks, but instead have temporary premaxillary incisors. These incisors are replaced after about a year with incisors that will ultimately grow into tusks. The herd being led by the matriarch. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.